Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. It's Winnie here again in another video. Do you know that I experimented with iron? This toning was made with iron. If you want to know how I did it, keep on watching. Watch this video to the end. Like, share, and subscribe. So without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video. Let's go. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. So this is my plain fabric. It's a crepe fabric, and what I did first was that I drew the pattern of the stoning that I want on it. You can work with any pattern that you like. You can just place the stone on strategic places, or you can do it the way I'm doing it. I wanted something like a star, something that will have some kind of shape, so that was what I did. And I arranged the stones with my hand, as you can see me do. If you don't want to arrange the stone with your hand, there is a stone picker. It looks like a pencil, like this. It looks like a pencil, and it has a magnet in the mouth, so you can just use it to pick the stones. It is very fast, and once you are done picking the stones, then you put it on the stoning machine or your iron. But right, in today's video we are learning how to work with iron. So if you don't want to use your hand, you can use a stone picker. There are various types that are very cheap. I think the list of them retails for like 3-5. I'm going to show you in subsequent videos, but for today we are using our picker. Our natural picker, which is our hand, and I'm just trying to arrange the stones to form the design that I want. Like I said, you can work with any design of your choice. And then another thing that you'll be needing is a white cotton fabric. Make sure it's a cotton fabric. I bought a white handkerchief, and that is what I'll be using. So keep on watching. If you are not yet subscribed, why? Please subscribe, share my videos with your family and friends. In those long form videos, I share everything fashion, news in the fashion industry, style inspirations, tutorials, edgecare tutorials, many things. Like, I have a lot of gifts. I have a lot of things I can do with my hands, and I am ready to share it with you beautiful people on here. So do well to subscribe, tell your friends about this channel. So now once I'm done arranging the stone, this is the white handkerchief I was telling you about that I bought. So I already plugged in my iron. Make sure that it is not too hot, and then I put water in the iron. My iron is a type that can put in water, and then you place it on the stone for like 2 minutes. Make sure it is on the stone for like 2 minutes, and then it's going to stone it perfectly for you. Thank you guys for watching. This is what I used in doing all this stoning. I hope it was insightful. Till I see you in my next one. I love you and I care. Bye. Papa.